Tesla, Roadster Model Y, Cybertruck, Nio ET7, ESA, or the potential of Neo Eve is out of like Back to the Future, space sort of model car. So which stock should I buy? Can someone help me? Yes, you have found divine intervention today with me. How is everybody today? I hope you are great healthy. I'm fantastic myself, I can't complain, life is great. Today we are going to do a quick analysis on what Tesla and Nio provide us as investors with their technology and compare them both financially to see if we can find a bargain out there for you today, or do we have to wait for a dip. Tesla and Nio stock analysis begins now. First we will start with Elon Musk and Tesla. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that people didn't need to compromise to drive electric vehicles, can be quicker and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. Today, Tesla builds not only all electric vehicles, but also infinitely scalable clean energy generation and storage products. Tesla believes the faster the world stops relying on fossil fuels and moves towards a zero-emission future, the better. Launched in 2008, the Roadster unveiled Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology and electric powertrain. From there, Tesla designed the world's first ever premium all-electric sedan from the ground up. Model S, which has become the best car in its class in every category, combining safety, performance and efficiency. Model S has reset the world expectation for cars of the 21st century with the long range of any electric vehicle, over-the-air software updates that make it better over time, and a record 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 2.28 seconds as measured by Motor Trend. In 2015, Tesla expanded its product line to the Model X, the safest, quickest and most capable sports utility vehicle in history that holds 5-star safety ratings across every category from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Completing CEO Elon Musk's secret master plan in 2016, Tesla introduced Model 3, a low-priced, high-volume electric car that began production in 2017. Soon after, Tesla unveiled the safest, most comfortable truck ever, Tesla Semi, which is designed to save owners at least $200,000 over 1 million miles based on fuel cost alone. In 2019, Tesla unveiled Model Y, a mid-size SUV with seating for up to 7, and Cybertrucks and more performance than a sports car. Tesla's vehicles are produced at its factory in Fremont, California and Gigafactory Shanghai. To achieve our goal of having the safest factory in the world, Tesla is taking a proactive approach to safety, requiring production employees to participate in a multi-day training program before ever setting foot on the factory floor. From there, Tesla continues to provide on-the-job training and track performance daily so that improvements can be made quickly. The result is that Tesla's safety rating continues to improve while production ramped to create an entire sustainable energy ecosystem. Tesla also manufactures a unique set of energy solutions, including Powerwall, PowerPack, and Solar Roof, enabling homeowners, businesses, and utilities to manage renewable energy generation, storage, and consumption. Supporting Tesla's automotive and energy products in the Gigafactory 1, a factory designed to be significantly reduce battery cell costs. By bringing cell production in-house, Tesla manufactures batteries at the volumes required to meet production goals, while creating thousands of jobs, and this is just the beginning. Tesla building most affordable car yet. Tesla continues to make products accessible and affordable to more and more people, ultimately accelerating the advent of clean transport and clean energy production. Electric car batteries and renewable energy generation and storage already exist independently, but when combined they become even more powerful. So what does the future hold? The supersonic jet. Elon Musk once said a supersonic vertical takeoff and landing electric jet would be interesting to do at some point. I think, but my head would definitely explode if I tried to do it right now. While entirely unrealistic goals in space, probably more in the realm of SpaceX, this is still coming from the man who sent his own car into space. So I can't 100% doubt Musk's vibe here. At the very least, if Tesla or SpaceX doesn't make electric jets themselves, maybe they will provide the batteries for them. In the next decade, self-driving system supplier. Could Tesla autopilot systems eventually find its way to non-Tesla cars? If Tesla is able to be the first to reach full autonomy, who knows? However, they have to beat out fully dedicated AV companies such as Waymo, Argo AI, Light Clarity, Apple. Will companies that have legacy automakers are waiting for them so they can implement these third-party systems into their own fleet? Be interesting if any automakers will do. That said, if Tesla can provide a state-of-the-art autonomous driving setup, is there a play for them to license out autopilot? Well, it's certainly a bit more complicated than simply providing physical part, given that autonomous driving systems would need software too. That sort of integration could get complicated with other automakers. Obviously, Tesla is well known for their autonomous driving attempts. I really like the idea of doing my work in my car, watching a movie, as the car gets me from A to B. Now let's look at Nio. Nio Incorporated is a pioneer in China's premium electric vehicle market. We design, jointly manufacture and sell smart and connected premium electric vehicles, driving innovation in next generation technologies, connectivity, autonomous driving and artificial intelligence, redefining user experience. We provide users with comprehensive, convenient and innovative charging solutions and other user-centric services, offering Nio's Chinese name, Weilai, which means blue sky coming, reflects our vision and commitment to a more environmentally friendly future. The first model we developed was the EP9 supercar, introduced in 2016. Combined with an attractive design and strong driving performance, the EP9 delivers extraordinary acceleration, best-in-class electric powertrain technology, helping position us as a premium brand. We launched our first volume manufactured electric vehicle, the ES8, to the public at our Nio Day event on December 16, 2017, and began making deliveries from June 28, 2018. The ES8 is a 7-seater all-aluminium alloy body premium electric SUV that offers exceptional performance, functionality and mobility lifestyle. Nio's officially launched the ES6, a 5-seater high-performance premium electric SUV, in December 2018 and began the first deliveries in June 2019. We are the pioneer in automotive smart connectivity and enhanced level 2 autonomous driving. Nomi, which we believe is one of the most advanced in-car AI assistants developed by a Chinese company, is a voice-activated AI digital companion that personalizes the user's driving experience. We offer comprehensive value-added services, convenient innovative suite of charging solutions to our users. These solutions include Power Home, our home charging solutions, Power Swap, our initiative battery swapping service, Power Mobile, our mobile charging service through the charging trucks, and Power Express, our 24 hours on-demand pickup and drop-off charging service. We believe these solutions and services together will create a holistic user experience throughout the vehicle life cycle. We sell our vehicles through our own sales network, including Nio House and our mobile application. Nio Houses are not only the showrooms for our vehicles, but also clubhouses for our users with multiple social functions. Our mobile application fosters a dynamic and interactive online platform. We believe our online and offline integrated community will retain users engaged and cultivate loyalty to our brand. At Nio, we envision a future where improved smart electric car technology coupled with a better car ownership experience will drive increased appreciation and adoption of the smart electric cars, leading to a more sustainable future for the planet. Now we have the basics of what both companies do. Let's look at the financials side by side. Wowza, big difference in money. With the money-making machine, Tesla with nearly 10x the market cap of Nio, with Tesla, as you can see, with 638 billion compared to 64.5 billion of Nio. Now when you compare share prices, Nio should be at $70 in terms of comparison of the market cap, so $40 could be a bargain, or Tesla is overpriced. PE ratio just says to me that Tesla expects to have more major growth going forward, while Nio is still losing money. But if we look at the revenue to net income, it is super bad for Tesla, with only 5% making the bottom line after expenses. In the last 4 years, Tesla has doubled revenue and Nio has gone up over 200%. But sadly for Nio, they are still burning cash at 1.3 billion net loss. Total assets to total liabilities is great for both companies, which is very encouraging, with Tesla going up to 70% in assets since 2018, where Nio has flown up the ladder more than 300%. But the total liabilities of Tesla has only increased 20%, where Nio has gone up 130% from 2018. Cash available, while for the size of the company, Nio has a lot of cash on hand, 7.2 billion, very impressive, and seems more and more like an undervalued stock with very low long-term debt. Tesla is also very impressive with cash on hand, but probably should be higher for the size of the business. Shares outstanding is embarrassing for both companies, both increasing their shares in the last 3 years. Tesla by 20% and Nio by a whopping 250%. Now I know Nio would be doing this for capital raising, but I hope this would slow down and reverse very soon. I'm stunned that both of these companies' short interest is so low, but I guess people are thinking of heaps of growth potential for both. Employees, I have a little concern for Tesla, as they have just raised their employees by 47%, wow. Hopefully the money is well spent, where Nio has just got under 10x the employees, with only 7,763. The sector gross profit is good for both, at 22% for Tesla and 35% for Nio, above the sector median of 15.7%. The sector revenue growth is obliterated by these two companies, with the sector average of only 5.88%, with Tesla smashing revenue growth with 62.8% increase. For a big company, that is great, and Nio at the same time with an amazing 202%. Wow. Actually, for a growth value investor, I'm very interested in Nio. Since making this video, the only concern is the ADR, so that concerns me tax wise, as is taxed differently to all the other stocks. But this may be a steal shown in the price to book ratio at only 16.04, and Tesla's not too bad itself, 24.98. What does this mean for each company's stock price? Let's look at the positives. The best thing that Tesla's got going for it is Elon Musk. He is up with the Donald Trumps and Bill Gates as the most well-known men in the world. Electric vehicles and autonomous driving is a big part of our future. Total assets to total liabilities are great. Revenue growth and gross profit growth are still promising. The big concern for me is the lack of net income. The bottom line is still very low compared to revenue. Shares outstanding increasing. This is not great for the investors either. Tesla sadly was one company I owned before the big increases, but to be fair, I only had 3 shares, so nothing major, but could have made 5k at the peak. But to be fair, Tesla is a car company first and foremost, then a battery company, and solar energy. I believe in a few years' time Tesla will settle and growth will disappear, but the saving grace is the autonomous car, so the price range between 15,000 to 5,000 into the future for me. If you fully believe in Tesla, current prices should be fine long term. But if you think Tesla's growth is slowing, maybe under 5 would be a nice price to buy into. In my honest opinion, it is too expensive for me on the risk reward side. No doubt they are a good company, but how long before autonomous driving comes? 2 years, 5 years, 10 years or more? That is the question. Electric vehicles will only get them so far. I think there are better options out there for growth now. But for a company that will start maturing soon, the price now I believe is safe, and doubling your money should be fine. But don't expect a 5x or anything like that in the next few years. That ship has sailed for now. Anyway, now for Nio. To be honest, when I first making this video I thought Nio was a joke, but it's now no laughing matter. Revenue is great with over 200% growth, and cash on hand is up 5,000% from 2 years ago, astonishing, with low long-term debt of 1.5 billion compared to cash on hand of 7.2 billion. They could look at potential acquisitions to strengthen their position. They are limited with only electric cars at the moment and a few other side projects, so growth long term can be an issue, but right now there is no issue at all. Outside of the negative 1.3 billion net loss is nothing to be sneezed at, and it is a big concern. But if that drops, well, this could be the next Tesla stock to skyrocket. Obviously Tesla is more diverse than Nio, but that can also hinder growth, as Disney are fairly right now. Nio as a stock is a buy, as Jim Cramer would say. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Nio is so undervalued. It is easy $200 stock for me, but people are scared of the huge net loss. But the risk reward here is amazing. If it drops severely, I certainly would load the boat. Now, profitability would need to improve very shortly, but I believe that this is going to happen within 2 to 3 years. Now, time is up for me. Both stocks are worth buying, but do more research and seek professional advice before buying any stock or cryptocurrency. All my videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only. Thank you so much for watching my stock analysis of Nio and Tesla, and I hope you got some good information out for you to make your own mind up if the stock is worth considering. The Cybertruck is good for Tesla, and the station wagon for Nio to the future. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.